I talked with a guest on my podcast about this life today. We found out that both of us had something in common, and that is the pain of miscarriage. I want to say that when I first learned that I had miscarried, when I lay on that table in the examining room, it was the technician who leaned over and whispered in my ear, and she said, "Anne-Marie, you're going to be okay." How do I know? Because she had experienced that herself. I think about how stories that we share among ourselves, even though they are painful, they help somebody else. They help somebody else fight through the darkness. And so I am thrilled to be a co-author of the Dear Black Woman anthology that is being released this summer, where we share our stories, our letters, talking to the inner child, the young girl. So I hope you will pick it up and read. Amen.